Thank you very much. Yeah, I'll pay you definitely back.
Here we go. Pressure, pressure.
Up.
Up. Up. Up.
Good call. Good for cover. Good cover. Up.
No skinnies. No skinnies.
Looking up. Looking up. Looking up. Looking up. Looking up.
No skinnies. Good. You know. Good. Cole. Good.
Offensive mentality here when somebody's open always. There we go. Right spot.
Chandler, look up. Chandler, look up.
Good, Mitch. Good.
Next time. Nice.
Right side.
Good.
Josh coming around.
Brad's break side. Brad's break side.
Bunch of space in the middle here. Move out, Brad. Who's their next? Turn. Hardy. Let's give him here, White.
Oh, that's a really smart idea.
Yeah, put it
Hey, watch these. Strike. Up. Yeah, Josh, way to cover.
Who's on Trimble? Who's on Trimble?
Who's here? Mitch, your mask. Up.
Big
Josh.
Mitch hot. Mitch hot. Mitch switch.
Up around.
It's out. We're
Right, come on, White. Use it.
Watch the blogging. We're blogging the north side.
Keep it fresh, y'all. Yep. Go two.
Always in the right spot.
Find Brad.
Somebody's open.
Attack.
Nice, good feet.
Yeah, good.
There's no line.
Around.
Swing it. Up.
Got it, baby Jackson.
Not the move.
Positioning.
Yeah, let's just pay him in a good spot.
Almost goal.
Good Josh. High next cut, Josh.
Tight.
Looking deep. Looking in.
Chandler, you're hot. Chandler.
Up.
Foul.
Up. No round.
No round. Yeah.